Installing Eshare. Eshare supports only the devices listed above. Step 1. Set up Wi-Fi. Access the projector's Wi-Fi settings. Enable Wi-Fi. Note the selected Wi-Fi network name. Then launch Eshare. The projector is now ready. Eshare also displays the Wi-Fi name. Step 2. Eshare installation methods for different devices. Note, mobile devices and projectors must connect to the same Wi-Fi network. 1. For iOS devices, open App Store. Search for Eshare. Select the iPad or iPhone version. Install it. Then open Eshare. You can cast media to the projector. 2. For Android devices. Method 1. Download the installation package from the Eshare official website. Method 2. Install from Google Play. After installation, open Eshare and cast to the projector. Third, for Windows computers, browse to the above URL. Download the Windows installer. Double-click to install. Select language. Wait for installation to complete. Then click Start Screencasting. The projector will display your computer screen. Note, for Mac computers, Eshare cannot be installed. Use AirPlay for screen mirroring.